Hi guys, today we've got a 90s inspired bun. To start, I've popped the hair into a high ponytail and left some hair out to frame the face. Grab some texture spray and apply it all over the head. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below, and then gently pinch and pull at the hair to loosen it up a little bit. Now we're going to take 2-inch sections from that ponytail and we're going to twist this section and keep twisting as tight as we can, and you'll notice that the hair starts to wrap around itself. So keep twisting and pushing that hair towards the ponytail and it will start making a very pretty sort of curly design. Once you've twisted all the hair, pop the ends underneath and then secure that twist to the head with a few bobby pins. I'm starting on the top of the bun on the right hand side, so I'm going to move over to the opposite side to finish off the top left hand side of the bun. And again, we're going to keep twisting as much as we can, so twist and push towards the head and it will coil up around itself. Tuck the ends underneath and then pin it right next to that first one. And it really is that simple. We're basically going to take sections from the ponytail on either side, twisting and pinning to the head as we go until we make a bun shape. So work your way around that elastic band. As we get to the last section of the bun, I'm just going to leave a 2-inch section out for later and clip it on top of the head for now. And then we're going to do the last section of the bun again by twisting and pushing it towards the head. Tuck your ends underneath and pin it next to the last section. For that middle section we're going to do exactly the same, but this time we're going to pin it in the middle of the bun just to give it a little bit of volume so it doesn't look too flat against the head. So keep twisting and pushing, pin it where you like it. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.